It's recording. Sammy in her new cardboard boat with the trash bag on it to make it waterproof. Will she float or will she sink? Who knows? It's the power of science. Science. Who cares? We're in the pool, and Sammy, do you think you'll sink or float?
It's floating just fine. It's just a little unsteady. She needs like a pontoon.
Woo! Sammy the motorboat. Sam the motorboat.
Launch it to the other side.
No. This is way too simple.
Just a little push. Ready?
Go!
2, 3.
Dad, I love how you're just...
You made it. I just see you got your balance now. Well, if I put a if you put pontoons on the side, you won't be so tippy.
Wait, I think I should put.
A bar going across with 2 floaties on either side, it won't roll so much.
Sammy.
Tippy, this part.
Sammy, it's getting boring now. We need to keep the viewers watching.
All right, so keep the viewers watching. Put another person inside the boat.
No.
How much weight can the cardboard boat hold? Can it hold me?
Barely. No, it's not going there.
I have to tell you, the boat's only going down like an inch.
Oh no. Collision.
Shoot, I should have got you. That was so funny.
All right, let's bring it to Bethany West.
No, you don't.
If you put pontoons...
Sammy, do your outro. Sammy, do your outro.
Look at it.
It's like, well, guys, this is it for this
Ashley,
little...
are you going to go in it?
Of course not.
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm not waterproof. I just have a sweatshirt on.
Here, wait.
Well, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Very short.
Sammy,
Say,
the paddle.
do your extra.
Oh no.
Oh, that's a paddle. It's not working. But whatever. See you next time.